Imagine waking up in the middle of nowhere, opening your eyes, and realizing you're surrounded by handcrafted leather, starlight ceilings, and absolute silence except for nature outside. This is not a five-star hotel. This is the brand new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome Camper Truck. And today, on Road Trip Vlogs, we're stepping inside the most luxurious way to travel the world on wheels. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome completely redefines what a camper truck can be. From the very first glance, it doesn't look like a traditional RV at all. The iconic Rolls-Royce front grille, the spirit of ecstasy proudly leading the way, and the smooth, elegant body lines instantly tell you this is something extraordinary. This motorhome is designed for travelers who refuse to compromise comfort, elegance, or performance, even when they are thousands of miles away from city life. Under the hood, this luxury camper is powered by a whisper-quiet high-performance engine, paired with an advanced electric assist system, delivering effortless power with impressive efficiency. The ride quality feels more like floating than driving, thanks to Rolls-Royce's signature adaptive suspension that reads the road and adjusts in real time. Whether you're cruising long highways, passing through deserts, or climbing scenic mountain roads, every journey feels calm, stable, and incredibly refined. Step inside, and the interior feels like a private luxury residence. Every surface is handcrafted with premium leather, natural open-pore wood veneers, and soft ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The famous starlight headliner transforms the ceiling into a glowing night sky. Even when you're parked deep in the wilderness, the seating area effortlessly converts into a spacious sleeping suite, offering hotel-level comfort with panoramic windows that frame breathtaking views wherever you stop. The kitchen area is compact yet exceptionally premium, featuring smart hidden storage, induction cooking, a built-in espresso machine, and a climate-controlled refrigerator. Everything is designed to be practical without disrupting the elegant design. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with marble-style finishes, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and intelligent water-saving systems that make extended road trips stress-free. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. A central touchscreen and voice control system manage lighting, temperature, privacy glass, and entertainment. High-end surround sound turns the cabin into a moving cinema. Solar panels, advanced batteries, and energy management systems allow true off-grid living for days, while advanced insulation keeps the interior silent and comfortable in any weather. What truly makes the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome special is the lifestyle it represents. This is not just transportation, it's freedom wrapped in unmatched luxury. Every destination feels like a private retreat, every stop feels exclusive, and every journey becomes an experience worth remembering. If ultimate comfort, privacy, and prestige on the open road is your dream, this motorhome is the definition of elite road travel. Let us know in the comments if you would take this on your next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to Road Trip Vlogs for more extraordinary road trip experiences.